Jack. Again, so for today's video, we'll be watching the fireworks. Well, guys, we're gonna go see the fireworks.
Jack, right here. Right here. I can see the boat. That's cool. Here, Jack, stand right there. Stand right there. Stand right there. Because they haven't started yet. Stand right there. Stand right there. Just stand
No, I want to sit down.
Okay, sit down.
Come on, sit down with me, Logan. Wait, I'm gonna hold on this side, okay? Because I don't want to shine on you.
Scoot over a little bit. You scoot over there. Because I don't want to. Okay, you're good.
Okay, you guys are all good right here. Just stick together. Don't talk to strangers, okay? And come right back to the car when you're done. Cool?
Mm-hmm. When are they going to start?
Right on this walkway.
When are they going to start?
In 3 minutes.
Wait, are you guys going to watch it at the car?
I think so, but you guys are welcome to watch it here right under him if you want and take videos, but
No, we are.
stay right here, but that's fine. Just stay together, okay, guys?
Wait, can we use that?
Sure.
Can I wear it? Jack, can you hold this for a second? We'll put this on, okay?
Do not point it at anybody. Just go and point it at me. That. You know what? Actually, I don't want to use that. And there Logan goes. I'm zooming into you, running at me. Just kidding.
Dun, 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 dun.
When he gets ready.
So look in it and make sure you see the fireworks on top, so we can see them.
Where do we go? Where should we go? Wait, let's go back over here. We're good right here. Yeah. Wait, scoot over. Scoot over all the way over there as much as you can. Okay. Oh! Oh, they're starting. That scared me. What about you, Jack?
Zoom into them.
Oh, well. Oh my gosh, fireworks.
Yeah.
I'm gonna zoom in all the way. See how good that does. Oh my gosh, that's huge.
We know filming.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
Isn't that cool? Bro, it looks like a cloud in the sky. It's so hard to see. I'm gonna light it up so they can see it. Ready? Okay, now they can see the cloud. It looks like a cloud, but... Oh, you can see the cloud right there. It looks just like a cloud.
Oh my gosh, guys. What the heck is that?
Okay, I'm gonna record you for a second. Isn't this so cool?
Yeah, guys. I will make it.
Oh, it's going up there. Bro, isn't this so cool?
Yeah.
Oh!
I might still.
Where did those come from? Okay. Okay, I saw that one over there come up there. Whoa. I could hear it film. Wait, where did that? Oh, I see him. I saw him shoot up.
Me too. They were like.
There's a boat over there. There's a boat over there. That's huge. Isn't that so cool? Oh, I'm so excited for the grand finale. Oh, this is not it. Oh, why do they look weird? Why does the one in the middle look kind of weird?
I'm just pointing at. Oh wait, it's coming up right there.
I know, I see him. Ready? Okay, I can record you. Ready, bro? That's so cool. Isn't that so cool? Oh my god, I want to see him just shoot like millions at the same time. Isn't that so cool, Jack? Okay, now. Oh, they're following. Now I can record. Oh, now I can record you for a second. Oh my gosh, where are they coming from? Okay, bro, this is so cool.
I would shoot up.
Okay. Oh, I saw 3 of them shoot. Yeah, I saw all 3.
Oh, yep, I saw this one.
Whoa, it lighted up the whole sky for a second.
If I saw this free too.
Oh my god, the cloud. Look at that, all that cloud.
Look at that.
Holy moly, it's purple. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Bro, that sounds cool. No, that's not the grand finale. Oh, this is it right here, I think. I think this is it, maybe. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, I saw 3 of them shoot up. Grand finale here, right here. This is it. Oh, I see him shoot up. Oh, this is it.
You guys are loud.
You can hear us?
Yeah, it's all different.
Is this so cool?
Oh, wow.
Were you not watching?
I'm what?
Grand finale, right here, right here, right here. Ooh, that's a good one. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's a heart. Did you see it?
Oh, look.
Oh, grand finale right here, right here. Grand finale! Wasn't that so cool, Jack? That's it. Wasn't that cool? Look at that cloud in the air. Look at that big cloud. There's a cloud. Woo! You can see all that cloud area. Cool. Jack, that was cool, right? So this is the end of the video.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.